works when I walk, but when I'm just still, it works. I have a little bit of pain on the left side. Well, I have a lot of pain on the left side, but it's not broken. So there's no excuse to not progress through life today. So here we go. Woo! I'm glad I still have this hoverboard. Alright guys, well, at the moment I'm going to the setup to pick up the C-notch. I've been trying to get it for the past week, but I've been just too busy to go pick it up. Setup is hooking it up, so right now I'm gonna go pick it up, and then I'm gonna go to Conroe to get other stuff. Today's vlog is gonna be just picking up crap, I guess you can say. Damn, this thing is freaking beautiful. As I'm over here at the setup, gonna pick up a couple of little things for the C10, for the C15 GMC. I don't know, I just like calling it a C10. Looks more like a C10. But yeah, I'm here limping, but still going. What projects have you been working on so far today?
Today, this one, we did another rear end. We're doing a underbed, shock relocators, and new drop shocks. That K5, we did a rear end on it. That one's going out the door. And then that's a nice truck right there. We backed that one about 3 years ago. It lays flat on 26s, man. It's a pretty nice truck, but he wanted more compressors, more air.
He wants more everything.
Yeah.
Where are you located at real quick so people could know?
10401 Market Street in the east side. We're off I-10 and Mercury.
How long you been here at this shop location?
This one, 3 years. Before that, we were in Northside for 3 years, and then prior owner to that was George, and he was there since 2006.
Yeah.
So the name's been around for a while.
Came here the last time, and you guys have like real cool projects that you guys are going to be working on. Just do like drops and stuff like that, right?
No, well, yeah, we do drops as well and lift kits, but we're pretty much focused on like the custom, like back halves, 3 links, 4 links, coilovers, air ride suspension, stuff like that.
Custom everything.
Whatever's fun and whatever pays the bills.
Yeah, guys, I'm here because they're hooking it up. They're helping me out. But it's called a C15 GMC, right?
Yeah, it's a GMC.
Yeah, it's a GMC C15. Yeah. I just like calling it 15. I mean, it's kind of like I got used to saying C10, 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 but
yeah, everybody call or square body. Yeah, C10.
The GMC square body. Let's put it at 85.
I had the little flat piece, but I'll put some on real quick. I'll have the guys finish it for you.
Cool. Oh, you guys are gonna like actually like do it?
We can build it and
load
it and everything.
Oh, hell yeah.
Just take it with you. Just
right,
load up the
guys,
other sheet. I'll get it cut out for you.
I mean, can you do it? Because how much would he charge? Because Orlando's always busy.
Yeah.
And I need to get this.
We could do it Thursday if you want. I mean, we're booked as well, but for something like that, man, I could get you in and out. I'll have one of my guys take care of it for you.
The front and the back, you said?
I mean, if you want to do the front, we can do the front too.
Okay.
Yeah, we get the front done. We'll go get a line down the street. We can do the C-notch as well. I mean, I'll take care of you.
Oh, man, I appreciate that. Appreciate it, because
yeah,
I need a lot of taking care.
That foot ain't going to let you, huh?
Oh, no, it's not. I was legit about to do it myself. So at least learn it the first time, but, you know. It happens. Keep forgetting that this arm freaking hurts, but yeah, I'm probably gonna bring it over here to the C10 so they can get it done and get it dropped more. C15.
C15.
I'm sorry.
Well,
so
yeah, we can do it if you want. Like I said, I mean, it's 4 of us here, so if you bring it Thursday, we could probably, if you come here like at 9:30, 10 o'clock in the morning, C-notch in the front, we could probably get you out by like 1.
Yeah, that's
and
perfect.
You can go straight to the alignment shop.
That's perfect. Next week, that's when I'm taking the interior to Speedy's, so I can get it done. Yeah.
He's gonna take care of you?
Yeah. Yeah, he's good people.
This one.
Right there we go.
Oh yeah.
See that?
That looks way better.
It looks like, I don't know why, it just doesn't look like I took it in Houston. It looks like I took it in California or something.
Yeah, or the palm trees in the back.
Right.
Yeah, checked in at Florida.
I let the girl drive it too, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I let the girl drive it, so I like,
you like it?
She loved it.
You know, it's funny, man, because most girls, they won't drive older trucks.
No, girls
trucks
love, like the girls, every girl that doesn't like trucks, every time I show her that truck, they like, I want to drive it.
Really?
Every time.
I got my wife to drive my dually one time to a show in Louisiana, and she was like, I'll drive it again. But
yeah.
I'm talking about my dually's like extended, super wide. Like,
they like the, I don't know why, they just like the old school, like.
Something that stands out, looks different. I wasn't going to cut the notch, but if you want, we'll just do everything Thursday.
All right, then
we'll
sounds
knock
like
it
a
all
plan.
out. I'll have it cut out, welded. We'll weld it in on the truck, get it all squared up, get the front squared up, and knock out what 1, 2, 3 birds with one stone.
Pretty much, man. So yeah, guys, production for the C15 is coming up. Stay tuned for the rest of the build that's coming up, and I appreciate if you guys keep watching it so I can invest more on the C10. C15, I'm sorry, it's in my head, it's programmed.
Yeah. No. The whole C10, square body, C15, C20, C30.
I mean, I like it, man. I didn't even know it was a GMC till I started looking into it.
There's an R10 and an R15 too, I think.
I don't know, but it got a 454, so.
And then you got the
I like
that are G10s, G20s.
Yeah.
So.
I got more things that I want to do
There's too much stuff out there to pinpoint exactly what it's named exactly. So.
Square body.
Yeah.
Square body.
We'll call it the square body.
Appreciate
we'll do
it.
that. I'll see you here Thursday.
See you Thursday.
What time do you want to be here?
I'll come early in the morning. Well, I have to go pick it up from Conroe and bring it over here.
Okay, so 9:30, 10 o'clock?
Betty. Yeah.
Right. I'll see you here.
Alright guys, so I'm at Orlando's shop about to pick up the front spindles and springs. Like I really wanted to do it with him, but he's always busy, so I need to keep moving production for you guys to watch.
What happened to you? What happened to you?
I fell from the dirt bike.
You glazed it?
Yeah, I ragdolled to the ground. I'm here to pick up the springs and spindles.
Okay.
I know you're busy, so I already talked to the setup and they said they want to do it too. They can get it done by Thursday. So.
Okay.
You're busy all the time right now, huh?
Yeah.
This whole week? Yeah, I figured. You're always busy, man. What's your address?
1146 Sheffield Boulevard, Suite L.
So if you guys want to get it done by him, hit him up. Oh, damn, this is a Coyote. It's a Coyote, huh? Same like yours?
Yeah, but that was a 4x4.
It's a 4x4, what year?
2018.
Yours is 19, huh?
Yeah.
I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah, no problem.
What you been up to? Giving you nothing for problems?
Yeah.
What's going on?
This kid, it was never meant to be a 3.5 for a 4-wheel drive. It works for a 2-wheel drive, but not for a 4-wheel. I gotta take it apart again.
Here's the first one, right? That you ever done for this?
Like a 3.5 Beltic?
Yeah.
Yeah. For a 4-wheel drive, yeah. I've used them on 2-wheel drives. They work fine, but it doesn't work on this one. The axle hits here. It doesn't work. So I'm gonna do control arms on it.
Well, at least next time you get something like this, you already know what to do.
I already know it's not gonna
It's a learning experience.
Pretty much, yeah.
Well, all right, then I'm tired of it being on my legs, so appreciate it. I'll bring it through so you can see what it looks like, because I know you want to see it in person, huh?
Okay.
All right. See you later, bro. Where you going, Alex? You ain't going nowhere, buddy. I came all this way, an hour drive. You ain't leaving nowhere, buddy. Where you going? Where you going, Alex? Hop out. Hop out, buddy. Hop out. Yeah, that's what I thought. Where you going, buddy?
You can't let me leave, huh? You had to block me.
Yeah. At least I had to put you in the vlog.
Give me your driver's license.
All right, hold on, let me. You gonna open the door for me? Be a nice citizen? I'll do the same thing for you.
Your hands are good. Your foot is f***ed up.
Exactly.
What happened to it? Let me see it.
Nah, my shoulder does hurt still.
Is your back where you got hurt?
Nah, it's my hip.
Your hip?
My top hip. That's where I landed. And the helmet kind of messed up my shoulder blade. Huh?
Walk normal that way.
That hurts, dog. Even with the Advil.
For real?
Yeah, it hurts. But you know, I gotta make vlogs. I gotta get paid. So, well, don't be. Hey.
Your driver's license.
You're gonna. Okay, I wasn't ready for the picture. Okay. I became one of those people that the picture came out little f***ed up.
Let me see.
And I didn't know that. I thought I was gonna renew the same
Damn,
picture.
bro, you need a new wallet.
Yeah, well.
Let me see.
Promise you won't laugh?
I won't laugh. Alright, I got that out of the way. No mames, man. Cut your hair, bro. Damn.
I didn't know they were gonna take the picture. I
Look
thought I
at
could
this.
renew it. No. Finally getting close to the mark I need now.
Oh, we got your DBA, we got your a valid ID. That's it.
That's it? So I just gotta set up everything at home and...
Yeah. The printing, shipping, printing. You got the weight, you got everything.
Alright, well that's what I was waiting for. Oh yeah, I gotta do the pictures.
Does it
I still have to do the pictures for the website.
Oh yeah, you need to send that to me.
Pictures next. I gotta go to the bank real quick just to do
Yeah,
some
actually
stuff.
I gotta go to the bank.
Alright guys, I got the merch. I got the stickers. Got all the stickers. Alright Alex, well, I'm gonna get out your hair so you can do what you gotta do today.
Remember, I didn't kick you out.
Well, no you didn't. I'm gonna do it at home. I'm gonna do the merchandise at home just because when I wake up I can just start just, you know, shipping everything out. Ahí te veo. Alright guys, so I got everything. Now I'm going to the bank and get some stuff done. And after that, I want to the new place that I'm doing a little bit of work at. A car place, dyno place. I want to imitate my channel with some cars too, because when there's nothing to do with the trucks, I can always do car vlog, like real cool videos and such. Where we going now is the dyno pool place called Dark Knight Specialties.
I already smoked you once.
No you didn't! Smoke me right now then! Yeah, that's what I thought. Boy, don't want to get gapped on video. That's why you stopped.